ako, magte-thank you ako sa mga nag-subscribe ha. Ayan, sa mga mga laging nanonood, nagsusupport ng live. At saka ng mga videos ko, mga nanonood. Yung mga Pinoy, grabe, thank you so much. Ang sarili. I swear to God that you are the most beautiful woman in the world. Makakaloka yun. Okay? I will say the channel yesterday. Okay guys, 5 minutes na lang mag-end na ako ng live. Ayan, comment lang kayo sa ating comment section. Ayan, where are you from? Pa-share naman ang live guys. Nakapalaw kayo. Share niyo yung live natin para ano tayo, masaya. Okay, parang potitig yung kasi naman, gusto ko kasi basahin yung mga messages. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below guys. Where are you from? Saan kayo guys? Where are you from? You are cheerful. Your smile is very beautiful. Thank you so much for free magic. Thank you so much. Ayan, I have only 3 minutes. So I have to end my life after 3 minutes, okay? Because I have to rest. Ayan. I need to sleep na later after 3 minutes because I have work tomorrow. Early in the morning, I have so many things to do pa. Okay, guys. It's really to God that you are the most beautiful woman in the Philippines. Ano talaga, minsan, ang liit ang boses ko. You are cheerful. Your smile is very beautiful. Guys, hindi mo ako minsan makatawa. Minsan naiya ako tumawa kasi I lost my teeth. Naputol yung isang teeth ko. Nakakaloka. Nakakain ko ng matigas. You are cheerful. Your smile is very beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Ayan. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for always joining in my life. Free magic. Thank you so much, my dear. Ayan, guys. Ayan, 2 minutes. Ayan, mag-end na ako ng live. Always support yung channel ko, guys, ha. Hindi ko mapapromise kung mag-ano ako, makakapang-live ako lagi. Pero, ewan ko ba? I swear to God that I love you and your hair. My hair is not good looking because here is black na. Here is na color I want. I want color green, but my hair is not green na. Ewan ko ba? Gusto ko talaga yung green na green. Alam ko ba kung ba't nalulay ito? I really miss you. I really miss you as my friend here in YouTube. Thank you so much, Free Magic, for spending your time as always. Every time I do live stream. Okay? Hi. Thank you so much, guys. Only 1 minute to go. I have to end my live now, okay? Thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you so much, guys. Like,